Hello, in this video, we're going to learn how to center an image in Webflow. First, you'll want to click on Add Elements. From there, drag and drop the div block onto your workspace. Next, go ahead and click on Add Elements once more, and scroll down. You'll see the Image option. Drag and drop it inside the div container. Once you've done that, you can select the specific image you'd like to add. Then, head over to the Width section, where you'll be selecting the pixels. After you've set the width, click on the navigator and select the div block. On the right side of your screen, you'll see the size option. Here, you'll need to adjust the width by clicking on it. Convert the width into a percentage, for example, 100 pixels or something similar. Once you've done that, select the div container. You'll see the Layout option. In that, click on Flex. Inside the Flex settings, you'll find the Align option. Adjust it so that the image is centered. And that's how you can center an image in Webflow. Thank you for watching.